Hi, I'm Tom, founder of Teammetry. Today, I will introduce you to Teammetry, the AI agent for AI engineers. Teammetry is the AI agent that builds, evaluates, and iterates AI models and agents autonomously towards the objectives. It covers a wide range of tasks in AI development, from building and evaluation to iteration, deployment, and reporting, through an interactive chat with our agent. Now, I will highlight 3 key features that benefit you. 1. Adaptive AI building. The agent first discusses your needs and then determines the right architecture for your AI, like whether it needs retrievals or listening. The agent then builds each component. For prompt engineering, it adapts to the best practice of prompting for each foundation module, considering the different characters. For RAG development, it chooses the best chunking, embedding, and search strategies, and sometimes even modifies the text chunks to enhance contextual understanding. 2. Self-refinement with self-quality judgment. Unlike predefined LLM judge frameworks, Teammetry agent tailors LLM judges for each AI needs and KPIs. It's very adaptive while keeping the best fairness. It can also synthesize potential input for testing by analyzing use cases. So, with tailored LLM judge and synthesized test cases, it self-evaluates its self-developed AI. If the score is poor, it revisits and refines AI architecture, prompts, and knowledge base before passing them to human engineers. 3. Productionizing your AI. AI at production needs larger scale evaluation and reliable data to communicate. Teammetry agent autonomously conducts data science in various dimensions and deep dive to judge the AI capabilities at production, even at edge cases. And it creates analysis reports with tailored documentation for integration. It helps human engineers and decision makers feel confident to go production. I talked with 30 AI engineers and found that AI development is still very complex and time-consuming. It requires a lot of human effort. There are so many techniques and new foundation models that may help solve your AI problem, but there are very limited structured ways to test them at scale in your case. The idea of letting AI agent handle those manual steps should make their AI better and safer. I want to be there to help such projects so they can go live. Teammetry is available for everyone now. You can start for free. Or if you want to learn more, we have posted our AI showcase on our website along with evaluation reports. That said, I have to acknowledge that our product is not perfect yet. We need to improve even more. But we are continuously evolving every day, and your feedback is key here. If you believe in our idea to let AI build AI, I need your help. Join us and share your stories.